Pound out on the pound out on the beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So you know your shorty's back. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is gonna be a what's on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. First, I'm gonna go through my iPhone. I'm just gonna show you guys my apps and how it's organized out, and my opinion on the iPhone and all that other stuff. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I created my whole phone aesthetic, like the wedges, the shortcuts, where I got the photos, how to change your wallpaper, how to make the wedges, how to make the shortcuts, how to put them together, where to find the photos, how to save the photos, all that good stuff. Without further ado, I don't want to make this any longer. Let's get into the video. Okay, so as some of you guys may know, if you follow my Instagram or my Snapchat, then you know I've already posted about this, because I got this in like December, end of December though. I think it was like December 30 or 29 or 28, around there. I don't know, but this phone is very, very new, gorgeous, love it, and it's the Pro Max. Oh my god, also look at my nails. Like, shout out Nails by Tay. These are my birthday nails. Oh yeah, my birthday's tomorrow. The little Chanel is so cute. Yeah, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I got it in gold. I've had the iPhone 8 since grade 9. I never cracked it. There's no upgrade, no 10, no 11, no nothing, no 12. And then I got the 13 Pro Max because, like, if I'm gonna upgrade, why not go big? Go big or go home. So yeah, I got the 13. Yeah, so, and I got 256 gigabytes because I'm gonna be using it to like vlog, and I'll be taking pictures and all that stuff, so I need like as much storage as I possibly can. But I think they start at 128 gigabytes anyways. I don't think they do 64 gigabytes anymore, or maybe they do, but I don't know. Camera quality on this phone is mad for videos, for vlogging, for selfies, for taking pictures. Like, let me show you guys some of the pictures that I took on this phone. The quality of this beautiful chef's kiss, as people say, chef's kiss, my guy. And y'all, I have Face ID. You guys don't understand. The first day I got it, I was playing with the Face ID like there's no tomorrow. I would close it, open it, close it, open it, close it, open it, close it, open it, just to see the Face ID, because I've had a home button for so long. Everyone's out here doing a little swipe up. I'm like, must be nice, and now I am part of the gang. I can do a little swipe up too. So that's basically everything about this phone. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so when you first open it, this is just my lock screen. You know, it's 3:20 a.m. but this is my lock screen. It's just like my vision board for 2020. The pictures speak for itself. I don't want to speak on it because I don't want to jinx myself. It's just pictures that I found off Pinterest, and then I use Fonto. I'll show you guys how to do that as well. And my Face ID, you open it. This is my first screen. She's cute. Oh, I love the aesthetic that I did. It took me like, I think like 3-4 hours to do, but that's because at first it took me like an hour to figure out how to use the shortcuts and stuff, and then I had to download all the pictures from Pinterest and Google and all that other stuff, and it was just a whole lot, but it's all done now. And then after that, I just had to put everything together. But yeah, so this is the first screen. When you go, I just have this big wedge. I don't know if it's called wedgets or what. I'm just gonna call it a wedge. Okay, wedget. I just gonna call it a wedge. So first is the big one. It just says the date. It says Thursday, and then the time. And I custom made the wallpaper behind it. And then the wallpaper that I have as well is different. I'll show you guys how to do that later. And then these are just the apps that I use. For notes, I use it literally daily. I take notes like every day. I put my checklist on here, and I journal every day just to like let my thoughts and feelings out. And then Instagram, everyone knows what Instagram is. You know, that's a social media platform. There's camera, Snapchat, TikTok, another social media platform, and then my photos and my Pinterest. Oh, I love Pinterest. Pinterest is like probably my favorite app. It's literally just pretty photos and good vibes. That's it. That's literally it. No negativity, no nothing. Pretty photos. You just pin it onto your wall, pin it onto your board. That's it. Oh my god, you guys should follow my Pinterest actually. Let me go into it. But yeah, this is just my Pinterest. This is just what it looks like. I usually have nails, girls' clothes, and hair, and like just other stuff. Here's my Pinterest username. Pinterest is good if you're trying to like grow. And then these are just other photos of me. But I mainly started it for my outfits page. So like I'll post my outfits on here. So this is where I started like growing and stuff like that for my outfits page. I first started making outfits and I posted onto Pinterest, and I was getting like a lot of impressions and everything, and I was like, you know what, why don't I make an Instagram for it? And I made an Instagram for it, and now the Instagram has like 58,000 followers, I think. But yeah, so this is just all I post on Pinterest, and then you go swipe here, and these are just my saved boards. You know, I have braids, all these bedroom, and it's just, yeah, that's it. Yeah, and then I have my clock, YouTube. I use YouTube. I'd be watching YouTube sometimes, but I don't use my phone. I use my laptop to watch YouTube. And then books, I try to read every day, but I haven't really been reading lately. And then calculator in my bank. And then if you swipe left, this is just like little thingy. But once again, I have a big wedge, and it just says Thursday, January 20th, you know, 3:26 a.m. And then I just have quotes, so I screenshotted quotes from Instagram. This one just says, never forget how widely capable you are. This other one, I made that because like everything works out in the end. That's what I always tell myself. And then I have my battery thingy that shows me the battery percentage. And then this thingy that has the 4 places. It just has like my phone, my AirPods, and then like any other stuff that I have that I want to add to it. Then I can add anything else connected to my phone, I guess, would be on here. So like if my Google speaker was connected to my phone, it would probably show up on here. And then I have the weather on here. Yeah, it's minus 13 degrees, that's fine. And then this little thingy, the photo thing, is just a Pinterest board, and then it like changes every like minute. And then at the bottom I just have the phone, Safari, Spotify. I use Spotify every day. I listen to music every day, and I'm a proud Spotify user. If you don't have Spotify, what are you doing? If you have Apple Music, I'm sorry, I'm gonna trigger you. If you have Apple Music, why? You have an iPhone, why are you paying for Apple Music? And then once your subscription is done, they take all your music away. Are you not ashamed? Are you not embarrassed? Like, that is so annoying. See, with Spotify, see, I'm not even promoted by Spotify, but I will promote Spotify for free. I don't care. I like this app. With Spotify, even if you don't pay, all your playlists are still gonna be there. Everything is still gonna be there. The only thing is that there's gonna be ads every like 2 minutes, every 2 songs. It's not even like every 2 minutes, but there's gonna be ads, and then you can't play whatever song you want. You have to shuffle your playlist. And then you can't download it, so you can't listen to it without Wi-Fi. With Apple Music, wow, everything going right after. Because I know this because I had Apple Music. You have to buy songs. I'm like, girl, what? Then on to my next one. I just have a widget at the top again. If you click on it, just goes to the thing. I got the picture from Pinterest, or I got it from Google. And then I have the Amazon, and then Lightroom. I use Amazon a lot. I have Amazon Prime, so everything comes in like a day or 2, so I didn't have to leave my house. It'll be here tomorrow or the next day. Love it. I'm not lazy. I just have social anxiety. Yeah, leave me alone. I'd rather stay home. I have Uber. I use Uber all the time. I Uber everywhere because I don't have a car. I don't have my license, and I heard pretty people don't have their driver license. I'm playing. And then Uber Eats, which I order from. Well, I don't order from it anymore, but I used to order from it every day. And then I just have this cute quote that says, watch me manifest everything I want. All my quotes are from Instagram pages. And then I have the FaceTime app. I don't use it on FaceTime. I don't know how to talk to anyone. I have my PayPal, which I use occasionally. And then Twitter. I don't know how to use Twitter, so please enlighten me on how to use Twitter. It's literally the hardest app I've ever... I haven't even given it a chance. Maybe if I give it a chance and I play around with it, maybe. And I just have my settings, and then the widget that says 2022 will be a rich girl year and happy girl year for me, and I'm claiming it, period, because why not? We stepping into 2022 with big girl attitude, big girl energy, boss babes attitude, boss babe energy, because why not? Go for it. The widget picture one, the girl and the guy holding her, is from Pinterest. All the app covers are also from Pinterest. I'll show you guys what I searched up to get it. Yeah, I just have the App Store, Wattpad. I used to read Wattpad like crazy, and then I stopped. I don't really read it anymore like that. I mean, Wattpad is, the books are, they're good for the free. They're good. And then I have AliExpress, which I don't really use like that. WhatsApp, and I have the weather app, and I have my wallet. I don't have any reminders or anything. And then I have my files where to download stuff. I don't check it. I have maps I don't use because I use Uber. And then I have mail, which I check again, and this is just all my apps. It automatically organizes itself. Yeah, so that's basically my whole screen. I wanted to make it like as simple, clean looking, and like aesthetically pleasing as I could, and I think I did that. I achieved it very well. But But yeah, so that's basically everything on my iPhone. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how to do the wedges, how to add it, how to do how. I might actually make a separate video, to be honest.